So we start off today's video with this blonde bob haircut transformation. This is absolutely stunning. Love how she styled this with the upside down backwards ponytail look. Such a fun, cute way to rock your bob haircuts. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out a variety of hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of doing something new with your strands, you've come to the right place. So here we have the stylist mixing in some bangs, so it looks like he's doing a nice mid-length cut. Adding in some color. Wow. So he ended up doing a shoulder length bob style for this one. The bangs definitely make the cut. This is so chic and modern. And it is also a very easy, carefree style. Very nice transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with long hair. Looks like she's at the salon. She actually flew someplace to get her hair done. I love the idea of doing that. Going somewhere specifically just to get your hair done by someone just sounds like such a dream getaway. So the stylist placed the hair in ponytails and starts to cut. And it looks like she's getting a nice mid-length cut, complete with a blowout, curtain bangs. Wow, she looks absolutely stunning. Her hair looks so healthy and volumized. Beautifully done. So next up, we have a hair color change. I believe this is a stylist doing her own hair. Looks like she's doing money piece highlights and the undercolor look. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I love this color that she used. Really added a nice amount of dimension to the hair. And it's so subtle too at the same time. Absolutely gorgeous. So next up, we have another color transformation. So she currently has like green towards the ends of her hair. Oh, she went blonde and got some extensions. Wow. Loving this one. So let us know in the comments below which transformation from today's video is your favorite. Here we have someone who has red hair. Looks like they're getting the hair cut into a bob. And then they decided to go more pink. Wow, look at the dimension that created. So beautiful, absolutely stunning hair change. For some reason, this kind of reminds me of like a candy cane or something. So then we have someone adding some bangs to their hair. Some nice, gorgeous layers. Wow, so she colored her hair as well. What a beautiful transformation. Her hair looks gorgeous. And then we have a nice bob haircut. This bob features a beautiful angled shape, longer in the front, shorter in the back. Alright you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.